Hello students, hope you all are good at your home. In this video, we are going to discuss your holiday homework of SST for class 5th. So, let's start with your first assignment, that is chapter 4, Weather and Climate. First question is, what is atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air is called atmosphere. What is frigid zone? The coldest climatic zone on the earth is called frigid zone. Define temperature. Temperature is the measurement of warmth or coldness of air around us. Define altitude. Altitude is the height of a place above the sea level. Define latitude. Latitude refers to the distance of a place from the equator. What is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in the air is known as humidity. Which conditions give rise to seasons? Latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, direction of winds. Which instrument is used to measure the humidity? And the answer is hygrometer. Write the name of 3 major heat zones of the earth. And the answer is torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Our second assignment, chapter 5, Major Religions of India. First question, how many years Hinduism has been followed? And the answer is Hinduism has been followed for more than 5000 years. Write the name of 2 great epics of the Hindus. And the answer is Ramayana and Mahabharata are the 2 great epics of the Hindus. Write the name of some holy books. And the answer is Vedas, Upanishads and Puranas. Next question, write the name of some major pilgrim centers of the Hindus. And the answer is Haridwar, Rishikesh, Kedarnath and Badrinath. Next question, write the name of some important pilgrim centers of Buddhism. And the answer is pilgrim centers of Buddhism are Bodh Gaya, Dharamshala, Sarnath and Kushinagar. What are the 3 jewels of Lord Mahavira? And the answer is right conduct, right faith and right knowledge. Next question. What is the holy language of the Parsis? And the answer is Avestan. Write the name of the holy book of Sikhs. And the answer is Guru Granth Sahib. Next, write the name of some religions of India. And the answer is Jainism, Hinduism, Buddhism and Islam. Next question, what are the 5K of the Sikh? And the answer is, first one is Kesh or uncut hair. Second one is Kangha or wooden comb. Third, Kripan. Fourth, Kara or steel bracelet. Fifth one is Kachera. Our third assignment, chapter 6, Natural Resources. First question, define renewable resources. Renewable resources are the resources which can be used again and again. Define non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the resources which are exhaustible and cannot be replaced. Third question is, which resources are the gifts of nature? And the answer is water, sunlight and minerals. Next question, what are natural resources? Write their types. Natural resources are the naturally occurring substances which are considered very valuable for the survival of all living things on the earth. And the type of natural resources are, first one is renewable resources and the second one is non-renewable resources. Next question, why can some natural resources not be used in their natural form? And the answer is, some natural resources cannot be used in their natural form because they need to be processed before they can be used. Example, petroleum. Which is the India's largest offshore oil field? And the answer is Bombay High. Next question, write the name of some renewable resources, and the answer is water, sunlight, and air. And next question is, write the name of some non-renewable resources, and the answer is iron, petroleum, and coal. Thank you.